Confidence. True alpha males exude a sense of self-assuredness that is magnetic. Their confidence is not arrogance, but a deep understanding of their value. Leadership. Alpha males naturally step into leadership roles, inspiring and guiding others with a vision. They are decisive and take responsibility for their actions. Physical presence. An alpha male often has a strong and commanding physical presence. This could be a result of regular exercise, good posture, and taking care of one's appearance. Emotional intelligence. They possess high emotional intelligence, understanding and managing their emotions, as well as empathizing with others. This makes them effective communicators and leaders. Ambition. Alpha males have an unyielding drive to achieve their goals. They are ambitious, setting high standards for themselves and working relentlessly to meet them. Resilience. They exhibit remarkable resilience, facing challenges head-on and bouncing back from setbacks with greater determination. Integrity. Honesty and strong moral principles are core traits of an alpha male. They are dependable and trustworthy, building their reputation on a solid foundation of integrity. Influence. Alpha males have a significant influence on those around them. They inspire and motivate others to follow their lead and adopt their values. Independence. They value their independence and self-reliance, making decisions based on their own judgment while respecting the opinions of others. Charisma. With their magnetic personalities, alpha males naturally attract and captivate people. Their charisma makes them unforgettable and highly respected in social circles. These traits together form the essence of what makes an alpha male in society, painting a picture of an individual who is not only confident and strong, but also compassionate and ethical.